let VEA help you turn the lights on.
The Pahrump Gold Gem and Mineral Show. It's going to be October 14, 15, and 16. It's going to be at the Petrick Park, free to the public. We're going to have guest speakers. We're going to have two gold speakers and one gem speaker. Some demonstrations. We'll also have the car show at the park with the Pahrump Valley Cruisers. We're going to have raffles and a 50-50 drawing every day. And half of that 50-50 goes to the College Scholarship Fund for here in Pahrump.
Wow. So if people want to sell some of their items, are you still looking for booths?
We are looking for booths, but they're gem-specific or gold-specific booths.
All right, so if you're a vendor and you can do gems or gold, then you can give you a call?
Yes, yeah, they can call me at 801-920-8563.
All right, and so is this going to be an annual event?
We're hoping. This is our first year, and it's our first trial at it, and we'll see how it goes from there.
So what's the hours of the festival?
Okay, Friday will be from noon till 6, Saturday 9 to 6, and Sunday 9 to 4.
So people can come on down on October what?
14, 15, and 16.
All right. And for more information, is there a website address or phone number?
You can go to PaHrumpRocks.com, or you can go to Facebook for Pahrump Valley Rockhounds and Club and Show, and my phone number if you want to get in touch with me.
All right. Can we get your number?
801-920-8563.